Oh my gosh, you guys, Christmas is almost here and I have an awesome super mega Black Friday haul unboxing video to share with you now with all of my goodies that I scored during this year's Black Friday sales. And I will tell you, I am a sucker for a sale. Whenever I see sales go up, especially this time of year when all of the luxury brands have their sales, when they have all of the Valentinos, the Christian Louboutins, the Manolo Blahniks, everything goes on sale when it's usually not on sale. I just have to jump on it, and my credit card takes a little bit of a hit, but don't worry, I pay it off every month. That's a whole nother story. Don't be like, oh my gosh, she's going into debt for luxury. No. But I did want to share with you all of the amazing items that I did score this year on Black Friday, just to give you all an idea of all of the amazing things that you too can score as long as you keep an eye out. Now, this first item, it's not super high-end luxury, but I wanted to share it with you because I think these are the most gorgeous things ever created by UGG. Let me show you what I'm talking about. They are just a pair of slippers, but they are super sparkly. So I saw these reminded me of the Dragonfly Louboutins. And unfortunately, I missed out on getting the Louboutins, but when I saw these for sale, I was like, yes, I need those, thank you. Grab the other one out here. They do make these in full-size boots. These are a little bit too eclectic for me to go for the full-size boot because I already have plenty of other UGG boots that I get a lot of wear out of because they are the perfect winter shoe. Yes, they've been around for a long time and they're kind of starting to get a little bit dated, but they are super warm and I just love UGGs. And I have been needing a new pair of slippers, so when I saw these for sale, I jumped right on it, and yes, I think, oh, look at those. Aren't those so cute? I'm just gonna like set those up and just stare at them in the sun, and so pretty. All right, onto the Louboutins, since you probably clicked on this video to see luxury items. Now, with Christian Louboutin shoes, they don't really have sales other than the 2 seasonal sales that are twice a year. So they'll have one in the winter and then one in the end of spring, early summertime. So you just have to keep an eye out when they are having those. We have the dust bags in here, heel taps. And the ones that I got here, let me get them all undone real quick. Bam! These are the Eloise pumps in the 100mm heel, and it is in a marine or the dark blue, almost navy, but not quite suede. I thought these were so cute, and these are actually super comfortable. Even though they are the 100mm heel, and I know I've complained before in my previous videos that I can't really do 100 because they are really tall. Sometimes when the heel fits, it just fits, and sometimes they are really comfortable. So these ones, I've tried them on. I've walked around a lot in them when I was in the store, and they did not hurt my feet at all. And I think the key is, especially with Louboutin shoes, which are known to be super uncomfortable, in order to find a comfy pair. Let me know if you want me to do a full-length video on this, because I think it'd be really helpful as a shoe shopper to kind of know what to look out for. But with these particular ones, the reason why these are more comfortable, even though they do have a taller heel, is first off, they're not the 120 heel, so it could be taller, but since they're a little bit shorter, it's not as bad. The arch here is not super steep, like with the Socates, it's like almost vertical. And it's not a super pointy toe like the Pagals. This one is more of an almond shape. It's also in the suede, which gives a little bit more to help mold around your foot, unlike the patent leather or the Napa leather. So all of these elements combined make for a much more comfortable shoe. So if you are looking for a comfortable shoe by Louboutin, look at the Eloise pumps. I don't know if they still have any left in stock. There are sometimes returns though, and maybe you can pick up a pair of those. Or if you have a really, really large foot or a really, really tiny foot, those ones are usually the last to sell out. So if you're like a 36, 36 and a half, even down to a 35, those typically are still available when all of the other sizes sell out. Now, my typical size is an 8.5. With these, I went with a 38. The 38.5, there was just too much room in the back here. Sometimes I will try to size up just so that way it's more comfortable in the toe box. But since these ones are already more comfortable, I was able to go ahead and go with a 38, and it's not super tight and it's still comfortable, and that way my heel does not pop out. We interrupt your previously scheduled programming to bring you this important update and a giveaway. So this is the very first giveaway I've ever done on my channel, and I am giving you all first crack at it. I am actually giving away the 3-piece Kirigami set and these are awesome little items. I'm going to be doing a video in the near future on everything that these hold, but I actually picked up a spare set of these online, and I wanted to do a giveaway for you guys because you have all been so loyal, and I'm super excited to see how quickly my channel is growing, and I just wanted to give back to say thank you all, especially since we're right in the middle of the holiday season. So with these, if you're not familiar, this is the Louis Vuitton Kirigami set. This one is the large pouch. This one is large enough to hold a mini iPad with its case on. The interior here is a nice rose ballerine. The mini size is perfect for passports or other little wallets. The interior of this one is red. It has just a little card inside here. And then the smallest little guy is going to be kind of a fuchsia, light pinky burgundy lining. And this one is great for cards, keys, lipsticks, lip balms, anything like that. So these three pieces are super handy. You definitely want to win these. I will leave all of the instructions for the giveaway down below, but the main thing is make sure that you hit that subscribe button. You have to be subscribed to my channel if you do want to be entered for the giveaway, and then comment down below on what future video you would like to see me make. So it can be like a what's in my bag and then list out the specific bag, this bag versus this bag, like a head-to-head challenge, a refurbishment video, a hack video, anything like that. Just let me know, and then I will pick the winner. I will reach out to you via DM or direct message, private message if you're hip. And if you want an additional entry, go ahead and pop over to my Instagram and follow me there as well. I will leave this giveaway open for a little while, but once it is closed, I will just update the info box down below just so you all know. We're gonna take a little break from shoes and go on to other pieces. This is an SLG piece, or a small leather good piece, from Chanel. Now, no, Chanel does not have sales on handbags, small leather goods, anything like that. They do sometimes have seasonal sales on things like shoes and jewelry and ready-to-wear items. I actually picked this one up pre-loved because the website that I was shopping at had its own Black Friday sale. So if you ever check out Louboutin, I can link it down below. They always have amazing sales around big holiday events. They even had, I think, like a Halloween sale, but obviously their biggest one is going to be around Black Friday. So that's when I snagged this item, and it was pretty much brand new. So it came with the dust bag here, and the actual piece itself is the classic flap card holder. So it is in the black caviar leather with silver hardware. It still even has its sticker intact. There is nothing on the back here, just more of that quilting. And then inside is just we got the authenticity card and the burgundy lining interior, and it is just so gorgeous. I love these because they just look like mini bags. I think these are the cutest item. If you are looking for a gift for someone for the holidays and you want it to be a Chanel piece and you don't have a super high budget, I would highly recommend one of these little card holders, especially if they don't already have a handbag. It's kind of like a little stepping stone up. And these are one of my favorite SLG pieces out of all of the fashion houses. I think they are just so cute. So I'd highly recommend one of these. I actually saved quite a bit of money, almost a couple $100 buying this during the Black Friday sales. So definitely check out pre-loved websites during Black Friday and other major holiday events, because there's like Yugi's Closet, I think, was doing 10% off. And then even Fashion File was having a couple different discount days, which I have a piece from them as well to show you. And even sites like The RealReal were all having Black Friday events. So it's a great way to save some more money on super luxury items that never typically go on sale. Back to the shoes. I have a pair of Valentinos here. Again, I got these during the sales. We got, I picked these up from Nordstrom. Got the dust bags. And then the shoes that I got here, you can kind of see it. Let me get it, make it all pretty for you. And it is another pair of the Rockstud heels. These ones are black, unlike my other ones, which are the beige color. So it kind of mixes it up in my collection. What I really love about these especially is, first off, the studs. They're not just a light, shiny silver. They're more of like a shiny ruthenium or a really dark silver, almost black to kind of help blend in, but just give that little pop of shimmer. So the hardware isn't super crazy and overpowering, and I can wear it with pretty much any type of jewelry that I'd want. And then another thing I love about these is this is actually mesh. So I know the super popular ones are in a patent leather, but these being mesh, they are really comfortable. So I do have suede. Suede shoes are also really comfortable because they help mold to your feet, but I would also really recommend mesh shoes. Even Louboutin is starting to come out with more and more mesh styles, and I tried those on, and those are really comfortable as well because they really mold to your foot, and it's almost like you're not wearing anything. So if you have wider feet or your feet are a little bit more picky and you need much more comfortable shoes, check out Mesh, check out Suede. Highly recommend those. These ones are really nice because they come with the typical Valentino brush suede on the bottom. They are in the 100mm heel, which is like a 4-inch heel, which again, I'm trying to venture out of my comfort zone and start wearing a little bit taller heels. I just thought these were so gorgeous. I tried them on. They were really comfortable, so I had to get them. And hello, they were on sale, so you can't beat that. And then the last piece I have is from Fashionphile. So I had this item. I was following it. I had it in my cart. I was waiting for it to be marked down again. If you followed Fashionphile for a while, you'll know that previously they would let you know when the item was going to be marked down to the minute. And then for some reason, they took that off their website. And now you pretty much have to call them if you want to know when it's going to be marked down. And even then, sometimes they don't know. So when I saw that there was going to be a Black Friday sale, I was like, yes, this is my time to get it. I think it was already 10% off, so I could get it for another 20 because I knew this one would not last. So let me show you which one I got here. This is a little Chanel bag, as you can tell. And this is the Chanel Mini in a black metallic caviar with silver hardware. I have been lusting after a caviar mini, and I finally got one. I am so excited. I got this for an amazing price. Even though it was around retail, that is still a really good price for caviar minis in the Chanel world because they're always over like $4,000 in really good condition. This one, there's no wear on the corners and it just looks almost perfect, so I cannot complain. Like typical minis, it has the pocket on the back. I think this one was from 2015. Inside here we have the main compartment. There's a little slip pocket and then the zip pocket right back there. So I am so happy to add this to my collection and score a great deal on it on Black Friday. And those are all of the luxury items I have for you for my Black Friday unboxing. I hope that you enjoyed it. What are some items that you scored that you saved a lot of money on? Let me know in the comments down below because I am a sucker for a sale and I love hearing about other people's finds. And I know that there are even still some stores now that are still ongoing with their sales. My Teresa, Net-a-Porter, or Net-a-Porter. It seems like all of those stores are still having discount days. So let me know what you've scored. If you did like this video and you want to see more like this, give me a thumbs up and make sure that you hit that subscribe button. Until next time, thanks for stopping by.